Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're well.
This is the Current-Raft Rodeo, and I bought this for a particular adventure that we're going on next weekend. Been out on it twice now, so yeah, been out on it today. Just come back from a trip on the very flooded River Idle. Cracking little boat this. So I'll just take you through what you get for your money and what the boat's like. So we'll start front to back. So you've got tie out points, 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't get the quick release tie grips with it. I've added those. Carry handle front, and there's one at the rear as well. Comes with this built-in spray skirt, combing that goes through. There's a zip on that side and a zip in there, so it's quite easy to get the combing in and out of. It's really nicely designed. Yeah, really nicely designed. You've got this kind of webbing stuff here. Obviously I've added the tie grips for tying stuff on, but that's so you can add thigh straps, which this comes with. You get an inflatable seat which fits with Velcro to the sides, and there's your inflation valve. You can leave this in situ because this does come with a pipe that you can attach to that and inflate while it's still in the boat. Velcro, very comfortable, it works. There's a back pad here that attaches at the back to some attachment points, bit of elastic to hold that in place. I've actually found this boat really comfortable. It's just really easy to sort out and set up. 2 tie out points at the back. Obviously I've added the colour matched quick release tie grips. You've got your Boston inflation valve, inflates to 1.5 psi, which is pretty good. Carry handle, like I've mentioned. Not a lot to see underneath because there's no skeg mount. Now this boat is relatively impressive because it's made out of quality TPU. So this is 420 denier on the top, and then the underneath, the underside, the bit where you want it strong, that's 840. Look at it rolling all over. That's 840 TPU. So really tough stuff, and I'm really enjoying using this. So like I say, been out in it twice now. And it's really nice to paddle. It tracks really nicely through the water. You might have noticed the big fat back end. The whole idea of this is to make it more stable on bouncy water. And that's a bit of a clue as to what's coming up next weekend and as to why I actually bought this in the first place. So yeah, it's quite a wide one, very stable on the water.
No. Yeah. Go on. It's alright.
But yeah, look at that big fat back end. It kind of reminds me of the Amphibio Revo, except for it doesn't have the swallowtail of the Revo. The Revo's got a really fat back end too. That's about it. Cracking little raft. If you've got any questions, by all means drop them in the comments. What I would say is, I bought this from eBay and it came from Germany. Don't buy it from eBay, buy it direct from Current-Raft. And the reason I say that is eBay take off all the VAT. So like I've bought stuff from Amazon that's been imported, and Amazon add the import charges and then refund you. In fact, they overcharge you and then refund you the difference. With eBay you don't get that. So this arrived in the UK and then I had to pay import duty, which was like another 140 quid on top of what I'd already paid. So I thought I'd got a bargain, turns out not so much. So I would recommend buying direct from Current-Raft and speaking to the owner if you can, if you've got any questions. His name's Tim Eggan, I think. Tim Eggan, E-G-G-A-N. Yeah, that's my recommendation. That's all for this video. You take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Cheerio. Whoa, that spits you around.